Hello everyone, myself Kamran Ahmed. I am studying in 7th standard. My topic name is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is the most efficient water and nutrients delivery system for growing crops. It delivers water and nutrients direct to each plant's root zone in the right amount at the right time. So each plant gets exactly what it needs when it needs it to grow optimally. Thanks to drip irrigation, farmers can produce higher yields while saving on water as well as fertilizers, energy and even crop protection products. How does it work? Water and nutrients are delivered across the field in pipes called dripper lines, featuring smaller units known as dripper. Each dripper emits drops containing water and fertilizers, resulting in the uniform application of water and nutrients direct to each plant. Why do farmers prefer drip irrigation? The reason is simple. Drip irrigation delivers greater ROI compared to other irrigation methods. Thank you.